Hello and welcome to Mathematics Media channel. This is your favorite mathematics tutor, Comfort Agwakonata. I welcome you to my class this minute. If today the very first time of you joining my class, a special welcome goes to you. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please look down there and click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Then also click on the notification bell to be updated whenever I upload a new tutorial. Thank you. Okay, so today I have a very interesting topic, and you're going to love it because it is going to be very interactive. Okay, I'm going to use interactive activities to teach you how to balance equations. So we are going to use a balance scale to balance equations. Now pick your jotters as you come along with me for today's class. Right. So that is a standard. The standard is what? Standard 6, which is balancing equations or writing equations. But I'm going to go a little bit deeper. I'm not going to use one variable. I'm going to go a little bit deeper, right? Okay, so now let's see what we have. I hope I'm sharing my screen. I don't want to end the class and you guys will miss whatever I thought. No. All right, so I hope I'm sharing. Let's make sure everything is being displayed. All right, so we have some models, and I'm going to take you through how to write equations using these models. Then also, I'll teach you how to solve the equations using these models. And I'm going to use a balance scale. When you say equation, it comes from the Latin word equal, which means same or even. Then with the equal to sign, it means it's what? Equal. All right, so in this case, the balance scale is used, obviously, it's used to what? Measure the mass of objects. And we have the left and the right. So objects on the left should be equal or the same as objects on the right. So now we have some objects, some blocks, and some cubes on these on the balance scale. We are going to write a balance equation from this model. So now the first one, we have 3 boxes. I see 3 boxes. We all see 3 boxes, right? And 1 block. The second one, I see 2 boxes and 7 blocks. So now we are representing the boxes. Since we don't know what is in the boxes, we are going to represent the boxes with a variable. And so I'll choose X. You can choose A, B, C, any letter at all, right? Because it varies. So the first one becomes 3x plus 1. That is what I see on the first scale. 3x plus 1. Then on the second hand, or the right-hand side, I see 2 boxes, which represent 2x plus how many cubes or how many blocks do you see? I think we have 7 blocks, right? So writing an equation to represent this is going to be 3x, because 3 boxes, plus 1, because only 1 block, equals, we have our equal to sign here, sorry, equals. On the right-hand side, we have 2 boxes, which is 2x, plus how many cubes? 7 blocks, right? So this represents the model. That is the equation representing the model. Okay, so now let's choose another one. Let's see about 2 more examples. Then I take you through how to solve the problems involved in this, right? So let's choose another model. Right. So in this case, I see 2 bags, which is 2x plus how many blocks? I see 7 blocks, right? Okay. Then at the right-hand side, I see only one bag, which is X. You know, someone will say 1X, but 1X is the same as X because it's 1 times X, which gives you X. So I see X plus how many blocks do you see? I have 6, I have 4, so that is 10 in all. 10 in all. This means that each bag weighs how many? 6 blocks. Each bag weighs 6 blocks, right? Okay. That is the equation representing these two. Okay, let me type it for you. So this one is 2x plus 2x plus 7 blocks equals x plus 10. Yeah, that is 10 blocks. So x plus 10. That is the equation representing this model that you see here. All right. Now let's pick another one. So always, and as I said earlier on, each bag weighs 6 blocks, right? So you can fit into each bag 6 of the blocks, right? That's all. Now let's see another example. Then we come to how to solve the problem. Let's be quick because my time is almost up. Okay, so for the first part of it, I see 3 bags, which represents, oh, good. So those who had it right, who were able to get it, good job. So I see 3 bags, which is 3x plus, how many blocks do we see? I see 6 blocks, all right, for the first part, for the left-hand side. Now we come to the right-hand side. I see how many bags? I see 4x plus 1. So this all, again, this is the equation presenting this model. So if you do this, the child will be able to see everything, visualize whatever you are teaching. So this makes the scale balanced. We can make it unbalanced by either we take a bag or a cube from the scale. So if I take out a block, it makes the scale unbalanced. So this one is unbalanced. So we have to do something to make the scale balanced, right? Good. So this scale is now unbalanced because we have taken a block from it. Let's see again. If I take a bag from the other side, again, what do you think will be? This is also going to make the scale unbalanced. So we take out a bag and it still makes it unbalanced because you have taken something out of the right-hand side and out of the left-hand side. What if we add a box or a block to this side, then we add a bag to the other side? Now we have a balanced scale. Right. That is the concept behind balancing of equation. We are taking out and we are adding certain things to make both sides equal. That is a concept of balancing equation. All right, so let me quickly go to 1 or 2 things with you. Okay, I stop. Let me pause here. Let me pause a little. All right, so I have some word problems. I have some problems here, and my time is quite limited, but I'm going to take you through these things in my next tutorial, how to write the equation and how to solve the equation, right? So now, since I have already introduced how to write the equations using the model, someone should help me with the first equation. So the first equation, again, how many bags do you see? I see 2 bags, and I hope you guys too can see 2 bags, right? So I see 2 bags making 2x. How many blocks do you see? So plus 2, right? Equals how many bags do you see at the right-hand side? I see 1 bag. I hope you also see 1 bag. So x plus how many blocks? 6 blocks. So that is how to write the equation. How many bags, how many blocks. We represent that with what variable. I can say 2y plus 2 equals y plus 6. Any letter at all, I prefer to choose becomes what I want to use. So in my next tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to solve. I don't want to rush you through how to solve it. So this is one step, how to write a model, right? How to write the equation from the model, right? But before then, you should be able to also write the equation from word problems. That is also going to be a new tutorial altogether. How to write the equation from a word problem. For example, the sum of a number n and the sum of a number a, let me use the letter A, the sum of a number A and 7 is 5. How do you write this equation from this word problem? There are some keywords or phrases that you should be able to identify. Those keywords include is, equal to, same as. So these are the phrases or the keywords that you should be able to identify to help you write your equation from word problems. So I'm going to take you through them one after the other. Wait, if time permits me, I'm going to do a lot for you. All right, so thank you so much for your time and attention. I believe this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up there. Do not forget to share the links to your friends and other colleagues. Thank you. So we meet again. Please stay safe and learn hard. Please do not forget again. Do not forget to buy my book, the Mathematics Made Easier series book, and it will also help you a lot. I'm trying to design an app on App Store and also Google Play Store to help you. But the App Store will be launched very soon, and it's going to be very interactive to help you in your maths. Right. All right, so till we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. Bye.